Hello, I hope you're having a great day. I've been super busy recording some fun workouts for you today, and I've worked up an appetite. So I thought, let me just show you what I'm having for lunch today, and that way you can follow along. I'm just going to kind of throw some things together. I've made this before, but honestly, I haven't written it down. So I'll do my best to give you all the deets so you can follow along. But what you will need is about a pound of shrimp. Of course, I buy wild caught. I encourage you to do the same if you're able to. You will have some sriracha, and we're using avocado mayo. Just a little bit of turmeric today. Obviously, fresh ground pepper. What else we got? Onion powder, and everybody loves some garlic powder. And if you don't have garlic powder, you are welcome to use some minced garlic as well. So with that, let's go ahead and begin. You can hear the shrimp in the pan starting to cook, but before I place the shrimp in the pan, I did use this Primal Kitchen avocado spray. So I just sprayed it all over the pan and then placed the shrimp in. Now, while this shrimp is cooking in the background, this takes no time at all, you're gonna go ahead and whip up your little boom boom sauce that we're creating here. So for the sake of extra time, I have half a cup of avocado mayo. And I'll be honest with y'all, I've never measured any of this because, let's be real, I'm not a chef. I just like to eat good. So if we need to adjust this along the way, then we certainly will. Okay, so we've got half a cup of the avocado mayo, and then, ooh, that was about to go everywhere. Just gonna shake up this sriracha sauce. Let's, I'm a big smeller of things. All right, let's do 1/4 cup. I may regret this decision. Actually, I just did. I'm gonna do half of 1/4 cup, okay? That's what I did. All right, let's start there. You can always add, right? But you can never take away. That kind of stuff just makes me a little nervous. Okay, so now we've got that. Let's go ahead and add, you're literally doing a dash of turmeric. Nothing crazy, and I just spritzeled some in there. I told you I'm not a professional. But we're going for 1/4 teaspoon of your turmeric. Let me check on the shrimp. Looking real nice. Okay. Just got to make sure we're not burning our lunch here. Okay, so we've got that. Let's add some onion. Yum. Told you I'm a smeller of everything. So let's add half a teaspoon of onion. Okay, and let's go half a teaspoon of the garlic powder as well. Hopefully by measuring, I am not messing up my normal concoction, but we'll figure it out. Okay, and then of course we want to add tons and tons of that ground pepper. Just as much as your little heart desires. Yeah, my little accent comes out, doesn't it? People used to ask me, where are you from? I'm like, North Kakalaki, why? Anyways, all right, so I'm just simply mixing this up here. Again, nothing fancy. I did have a little bit of a larger bowl because I've made the mistake before of having too small of a bowl once you add the shrimp. And honestly, the shrimp should be about done, so I'm going to check on that. All right, our shrimp is done. So let's go ahead and add these to our bowl of mixture. Ooh, get that wrist strength. There we go. All right. So now that we've got our shrimp in there, oh, let's taste it before. Not too bad. If you like it a little spicy, add some extra sriracha. I'm actually making these boom boom shrimp tacos here. So I'm not going to add too much spice today. But if you like that extra hi-ya, pow kick, boom boom it up, right? Add that extra sriracha. So now you can see all I've done here is just simply cover the shrimp in the sauce, like so. That's it. And now, let's throw the taco together too. All right, are you getting hungry? I know I am. So I went ahead and heated up one of these cassava flour tortillas. I put greens on everything I can whenever I have the opportunity. So I did add some arugula here. And then this is it, my friends. So all we're gonna do is just add a few of these shrimpies. There we go. And I actually had some leftover mango salsa. So I'm gonna add a little bit of that to this. This would also be really good with some avocado and all the goodness. Yum. How gorgeous, right? Just a quick little gourmet lunch. This whole thing, I kid you not, took like 10 minutes. That's it. So with that, look, isn't it so pretty? La la la. Okay, you know we had to show the close-up because it's that delicious. Now for the best part. Ooh, ooh, ooh. Yum. Here we go, if I can keep it together. All right, all right. Moment of truth. If you decide to try these Boom Boom Shrimp Tacos, let me know how you like them. And give me any other ideas or feedback or things that you're interested in cooking up. All right, guys. See you soon.